My name is Robert Wilston. I'm the Curriculum Area Manager for Creative Industries courses at Northern Regional College. From 1-year Level 2 traineeships through to our 2-year Level 3 extended diplomas and into our higher education options. All courses are delivered by subject specialists, with many of our lecturing staff still working within the art, media and performing arts industries. In art and design, you will learn the core essential elements of drawing, painting, colour theory, graphic design and fashion. Learn your design skills from talented and gifted art staff who truly have a passion for their subjects. Learn how to use traditional and digital art. Create fashion items, work on design and branding for clients. In media, we offer a range of exciting pathways including animation and games, creative and interactive media, TV and film, digital graphics and marketing. Learn how to use the latest broadcast standard cameras, lighting and sound. Use graphic tablets in animation, coding and web design. Become proficient in Adobe Creative Suite. Create engaging games using Unity and Unreal Engine, and produce podcasts and soundtracks with Pro Tools and Logic Pro, just like the industry professionals do. In music and performing arts, learn the core skills in drama, acting, stagecraft, composition and performance. And for more information on any of the courses within the creative industries, visit our website at nrc.ac.uk and search for art, media or performing arts for all of our exciting courses starting this September.